cyclogenesis, and it's merging. There's a high pressure gradient up to the north, which is causing these insane winds out here right now. And it's only going to get worse. And probably later this evening, early tonight. Again, North Carolina, definitely starting to deteriorate.